Okay, Kim. I've gotten off of Highway 5570 and I made a left on 162, and now I'm making a right on Formosa. You can see the Taco Bell over there. There's a Cracker Barrel. I apologize for the shaky, but it's hard to drive a manual and hold the phone at the same time. Okay, so now I'm going down this road. I'm still on Formosa. And still on Formosa. All right, we're getting close. Okay. Here's your landmark. There's that sign that says Fabic. I'm making a right here. And there is the training center. I'm coming in from the back. Okay, there's a nice little lake over here. Now I'm turning left into the parking lot. And there's the training center. Okay, that's the door I'm going to go into. More to come.